When I was in law school, I was hit by a drunk driver. A gentleman ran into the back of my car, pushed me off St. Charles Avenue and into a tree. Luckily, I had a friend 2 cars behind me who was able to stand in for me and help me when I couldn't help myself. I want to be that friend who's there for my clients when they may not be able to do it themselves. Going through what I've gone through in my life, I can provide that client a unique perspective on their road to recovery. We're here to listen to them. We're here to ask them questions because I want to know exactly what they're going through, tell them exactly what their options are so that they can make the best decision for them and their families.
I was heading home one night and this guy come flying up beside me and it just hit me. Come to find out he was a drunk driver. Called a chiropractor friend of mine and he had me call Dellutri Law Group and it went from there. They'd make sure all my medical bills were taken care of and they would handle it all. One less thing on my plate, I'm happy with that. I didn't know where I should go to get checked out. I would have never done that stuff. I'd have just sat home and dealt with the pain. Instead, they got me going in the right direction to have things taken care of. They're always super polite and they reach out to you constantly just to make sure everything's going okay.
I was grocery shopping, getting my stuff, turned around to go back to the cart, and before I knew it, my feet were giving way underneath me and I went down. I was distraught. I didn't know where to turn, who to trust. The very next day, I was asking my friend to take care of my son because I was in pain, and she's the one that told me about Dellutri, and she highly recommended them. They calmed my fears, they talked me through everything, they answered all my questions, and they were always there. They were actually concerned about me as an individual, and the pain I was feeling, and mentally how I was feeling, and that was really very comforting. They really care about you, they hear your concern, and they want to help. I felt like I was being looked after. They're not just there to be there for your case, they're there for you.
At the Dellutri Law Group, we have 2 main concentrations. Half of our firm practices personal injury law. The other half of the firm focuses on consumer litigation. Practicing both bankruptcy law and personal injury law makes us much better personal injury attorneys because knowing the financial side definitely helps us prepare our clients' cases in a unique way so that we know and that they know that their finances will be protected no matter what going forward. When people ask me what we do for a living, I tell them we provide hope to those who have lost it.